Hi, my name is Michelle Licardi, and I'm the lead trainer here at Advanced Tubular Technologies. In today's video, I want to show you how to create a new cut plane inside VTube-LASER. So let's go ahead and get started.
The first thing I like to do when I'm measuring a new cut plane is go to Measure Setup, look for the Planar tab, and look at row 1, the Planar Normal Angle Filter. Set this to 20 if it's not. Once it's set to 20, we can go ahead and take a look at the cut plane control. If you have any active cut planes, go ahead and deactivate those with the checkbox marked active. The second thing to do is to deactivate or turn off the DCP, the diameter cut plane. In newer versions, you can toggle this on and off beneath the cut plane control. And in older versions, go to the diameter cut plane tab and uncheck row 1. Once that's off, let's go ahead and take a look at the scan setup. For smaller tables, you may need to change row 3 here, the stripe separation filter, to something smaller, perhaps 2. It's going to ask every 2 inches for at least 1 stripe, and it's going to take at least 4 stripes. So I need a total of 8 inches on the table to measure this cut plane. If you're using and measuring a larger table, you can increase this number. Now that we have all of the cut planes unselected, the diameter cut plane is off, we're ready to measure a new cut plane. Select Measure a New Cut Plane with the scanner or ball probe. VTube is going to ask for stripes when you're using the laser, so go ahead and grab the scanner, start on one side of the table, start scanning, and move towards the other. Once VTube has enough information, it will automatically stop the measurement. Now that I'm finished measuring, I can go ahead and see my cut plane that was just created. The bottom triangle here is the table itself, and the top triangle is the offset that VTube defaults to. In this case, the default for all cut planes is 0.125. If you were to increase this value, you would see it grow, and same thing if you made it smaller, it would get closer. The 2 triangles would get closer to one another. If you were measuring an 1/8 inch tube, for example, you may want to make it smaller to capture more of the tube when you are actually scanning the tube. If you increase or decrease, it will change how far or how close the 2 triangles are to one another. Select the cut plane you intend to use and make that active. If you would like the cut plane to get removed from the viewport, go ahead and uncheck the cut plane model under the parametric models and press F2, the refresh under the viewport, for it to disappear.
Thanks for taking the time to watch this video about how to create a new cut plane. If you have any issues or questions, please feel free to reach out to us at support@advancedtubular.com. We'll see you next time.